some big, massive updates coming in as far as the COVID vaccine is concerned. Now, the SEC has given its recommendation to the Serum Institute of India vaccine, and now the DCGI's nod is awaited. Remember, there was a meeting that was underway to, in fact, verify, and also after there was approval and an expert panel of the Drugs Controllers Organization had, in fact, in a way held this meeting. Now it seems like this DCGI will have the final say whether or not the Serum Institute of India will be given a rollout for the vaccination or not. But certainly a big and massive breakthrough coming in as far as the vaccine breakthrough for India is concerned, where the SEC has now recommended Covishield for approval. Let's go across to my colleague Shivani Sharma joining us on the phone line. Shivani, certainly a big update and a massive update coming in. The SEC giving in a green signal for SII's Covishield.
Definitely, this is a big news. The recommendation given to Covishield by the SEC, the panel of 12 doctors who were just going with the meetings and the presentation which was going on, and the recommendation has been given. The green signal given to the vaccine is actually a breakthrough because India is already ready for the dry run, we know, and tomorrow itself the dry run has to start. And the Covishield is actually cheaper than its rival vaccine. And also, it is easy to store because it can be stored on a temperature of 7 to 8 degrees as compared to the other vaccines which need a minus 70 and minus 20 degrees of temperatures to be stored. And also, because we've seen...
All right, we'll fix that audio with Shivani, but let's go across to my colleague Piyush now joining us with more on this. Piyush, certainly a massive update, a big breakthrough as far as the COVID vaccine is concerned. The DCGI's nod will be waited for, but the SEC has now recommended Serum Institute of India for a vaccine.
Well, it's a big development, a very big development is now coming out from the meeting which began at around 12 p.m. here at FDA, where the officials, the subject experts committee members who were sitting here, they have now listened to what Serum Institute of India had to say, and after that they also listened to Bharat Biotech. Now what we are picking is that now subject experts committee members have recommended Serum Institute of India to DCGI. DCGI is a drug body which controls all the functioning of drugs across the country. And now it has given a recommendation to DCGI for emergency use authorization. For emergency use authorization, which means that whenever there is emergency, then this vaccine can be used. Remember, this is Oxford vaccine, which is being produced there at SII, and there was a contract also which was signed between SII and Oxford. And now, when the recommendation has been given to DCGI, it will now further recommend to government to produce it for emergency use authorization. And very big development is now coming out that it will be produced in India. We know that Serum Institute of India has already produced around 50 million doses, which means 5 crore doses are already ready, and it is expected to produce around 100 million doses. So this is a very big development which is now coming out. Serum Institute of India wins the race out of these 3 vaccine candidates who had applied for emergency use authorization. In the first meeting, there was some sort of delay, and also we saw some data was missing at the part of Bharat Biotech and other companies also. And now Serum Institute of India, which gave a massive presentation of at least 3 hours, has now got the nod of subject experts committee, and it has now recommended the name of Serum Institute of India as a Covishield to DCGI, and then after that it will be further sent to government, and then contracts will be given to the institute in Pune for the mass production. Now we'll have to wait and watch as to how the process takes place. From tomorrow, dry run is going to begin, which will take at least a week or more time, and soon after that there are chances, empty chances, that the vaccination drive could also begin. Also, let me...
Piyush, stay with us. I'm also joined over the phone line by Yatharth Tyagi, who's the director of Yatharth Group of Hospitals. Sir, a big updates coming in. The SEC has now recommended Covishield for approval. This is certainly a good news as far as a vaccine breakthrough for India is concerned.
Yes, it is an excellent news. It is excellent news for all the country as well as for all healthcare workers. So last week itself, we got information from the government to set up vaccine booths across all hospitals. So I think we have submitted a list of around 1,000 healthcare staff, which would be the first who would be getting the vaccine. So definitely it's a big day on the New Year, the first day of the year. So the good news coming, it is good news for us.